How's it going? I'm good, how are you? I'm Chase. It's about to be a tornado on us, ain't it? Where are they at in here? Okay. See how quick we can try to make this. These are notoriously hard to get into, but the latch like tilts inwards and it's really hard to get pressure on, but we'll figure something out. The rain. I think we might have got it. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let me see. You're good. How we doing payment? Cash App? Okay. I'll just tell you my phone number. You can type it in and that should pull up. I think that's hail. Go ahead. Go in your car. I'll wait outside. It ain't no big deal. It's 80 bucks. 931. That's me. Yes, ma'am. I trust you. I'm gonna get out of the rain. You guys have a good day.